Okay, so now because I was rushing around and not making a good plan, it's not totally working out the way I wanted. So it's not going to be as perfect as I like, but it's good enough for my demonstration. So now what you do is you're going to take your pieces and you're going to peel your back off. And when you peel it off, it should just leave a little sticky stuff on the back. Okay, and so whenever you do that, you're going to start to position things, starting with the stuff that needs to go down first. So the first thing on mine is this bit of sky. I'm going to place this mountain piece on here. And the good thing is it's not totally stuck. It's just sticking there because it's a little bit sticky, but you can still move it around to put it wherever you want it to go. Like I'm a little unhappy with some of this, but so I'm going to move this close to the edge. I'm going to make sure not to go off the edge. And if for some reason I need to go off the edge, then I need to put a piece of fabric or one of those pressing sheets underneath of it as well as over top, so that way if it does stick, it's not sticking to the ironing board cover. So just trying to peel these papers off. So I'm going to hit stop for now and I'll come back and show you where I'm at next.